Why don't you talk to Robbie anymore?
I do. I just move in different circles, that's all.
Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing. You see the truth. I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you.
Yes, I know exactly.